young, sociable, active person.
2. What motivates you?
My motivation is finish the study to be a great professionally.
3. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are watch TV and rooming.
4. What are your future plans if you get this job?
My future plan is the great this how they contributed in the company and the great professionally.
5. Your future goals, or what are your career goals?
My future goal was the continuation studying to complementing in the coaching.
6. What do you see as major success in your life?
One of major success and the life a country finish the career.
7. Why did you leave your last job?
Become reset and build how opportunities.
8. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Might see my life at 6 years implementing what they had learned and the high quality work and the join the programming.
Okay, perfect. Goodbye.
Goodbye.